Hi there, I'm going to guide you through this video where I visited El Eden. You can see here the Predator greets you at the door. It was filmed here in 1987. There's a newer version that came out this year, 2018. It has a nice restaurant with a tall palapa roof. Serves mainly seafood. Quality and price seems to be okay. Some people complain that it's a little bit expensive, but mostly the locals. So it might be that the prices are more international. Here's the main pool. We're arriving here. You can jump in here. I didn't get charged anything on the way in, so I imagine you can come here and take a swim in the pool without being charged anything. But if you need maybe a drink or maybe you can have a drink like you need. It's very clear water, even though it was the driest part of the dry season. There was some water coming through. Must be much. It can go up once the rainy season starts, and that was in mid-June. It started raining. So this is the main pool. There's a restaurant. You have these tables by the edge there and watch the water. So it's pretty nice. This is Lerena is on the way up towards the mountains from Ismaloya. The road was pretty good. I took a normal rental car, city car, nothing special, and got through all the way, no problem. Might be an issue if you travel during the rainy season, so ask around before you jump off. And here you can come and enjoy the pool, the area, the restaurant, and they have a little Predator section where they show the things about the movie. Plus, they have a canopy tour, which they were offering when I was there. I didn't have the time to try it out, but it's a nice 13 zip lines. You can see people actually going by there in the background on the zip lines. I hadn't noticed, and so you can enjoy the jungle from above. I imagine that'd be a nice trip to take too. And this was, as I say, in the middle of the low season, mid-summer, so there's not too many people. There weren't so many people, and the pool may be a little higher during the rainy season. They talk about having other trails so you can hike through the jungle. I would encourage you to try that out and visit maybe some of the sets that are left over from the Predator movie. The only part I saw was a helicopter and that the goofy guy in the Predator suit. But there must be, and I think they talked about other Predator sets you can visit. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you have any comments, please leave them. Share with your friends and like if you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.